Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss how to learn speech sounds in an easier way. First classification is based on laryngeal action. They are surds, sonants and consonants. Surds are the voiceless sounds, for example H, C, Q. Sonants are the voiced sounds. Vowels and vowel-like sounds are the examples, that is A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Then consonants are the articulated sounds. Based on the manner of articulation, it is classified into plosives, fricatives, affricates, nasals, retroflexes, laterals and approximants. Plosives, here airflow is blocked and suddenly released with the explosion. That is bilabial sounds P, alveolar sounds T, velar sounds K, voiced counterparts V, D and G. What a fricate is, here friction is caused when airflow is forced through a constriction in the vocal cords. Labiodental, interdentally voiced and unvoiced TH, alveolar fricatives S and Z, palatine fricatives SH. Then affricates are the combination of plosive and fricative sounds, TS as in cheese. The nasals, here the air goes through the nose. Example M, N. Retroflexes are the tip of the tongue bent backwards. Example R. Laterals, here the body of the tongue is raised and air flows to the right or left of the tongue. Example L. Then approximants are consonants which is similar to vowels. That is W, J. And based on the place of articulation, bilabial, labiodental, linguodental, linguoalveolar, postalveolar, retroflex, linguopalatal, linguovelar, uvular, pharyngeal and laryngeal. These are the various sounds which is based on the place of articulation. So based on the place of articulation, it is bilabial contact. Here the contact between the lips, example P, B, M. Labiodental contact. Here it is between the upper incisor and lower lip, F and V. The linguodental contact. Here the tip of the tongue between upper and lower teeth, TH. Then linguoalveolar contact. Tip of the tongue contacting anterior part of the palate, T, D and N. Then linguopalatal contact. Tongue and alveolus from the controlling valve, SH and ZH. Then linguovelar contact. Here tongue slightly raised towards the soft palate, K and G. Here it is bilabial, labiodental, dental and interdental. Then alveolar, postalveolar, retroflex, palatoalveolar. Then palatal, velar, uvular, pharyngeal. Coming to an easier way to memorize the speech sounds. Consider alphabets from A to Z. A, E, I, O, U, they are vowels and they are classified as sonants. And surds are voiceless sounds. They are C, H and Q. Then plosives are B, D, G, K, P and T. Fricatives are F, S, V, Z and X. Then affricates TS as in cheese. The nasals M and N. Then retroflexes are R. Laterals are L. Then finally approximants J, W and Y. So these are the various alphabets which is very easy to remember the speech sounds. And that's all for today's lecture. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.